everybody, today we are going to make kulfi. We are going to make two types of kulfis today. For that you'll need oranges too. You'll not need all of this. I'll show you later. Almonds 10, pistachios 10, 750 ml of full fat milk. I had only 150 ml of condensed milk. The rest I'll add sugar. Milk powder half a cup. Kesar is optional, I'm just adding to get a good color. Start boiling the milk. Scrape off the sides and don't take off the malai from the milk. Keep adding the malai to the milk. This will give a good richer taste to your kulfi. Meanwhile, let's take out the pulp from the orange. We need the orange skin to use as a mold for the kulfi. Use the back of a spoon to take out the pulp and be careful you don't tear out the skin. Our milk has started to get boiled. Now we shall add almonds, pistachios and saffron. As I already told you, I had only 150 ml of condensed milk. So I am adding quarter cup of sugar, that's 4 tablespoons. If you have 200 ml of condensed milk, add the entire condensed milk. Now let's add a milk powder. Keep stirring while you are adding the milk powder so that no lumps are formed. the milk has turned really creamy, switch off the flame. I've taken half a cup of the kulfi separately. To this, I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of orange juice. Freeze these overnight or until set. Our Kesar Malai Kulfi is ready. Let's check out our orange kulfis. These orange kulfis are really tasty than any other kulfis. Do give it a try and comment below. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye until I meet you with yet another recipe.